Good afternoon, my dear students. Last class we have seen autotrophic mode of nutrition, right? In that, green plants will prepare their own food with the help of four things we studied. What are they? Water, carbon dioxide, then chlorophyll and sunlight. So this happens only in the leaves. Leaves and sometimes in the green part of the stem also photosynthesis will happen. So the leaves are the food factories in a plant. Okay. So the process of photosynthesis by which green plants prepare their own food. Okay. So only that main content is chlorophyll. So only green plants can prepare their own food. So what will happen to the plants which do not have chlorophyll? They cannot synthesize their food. Okay. So they have to depend on others for their food. So that type of nutrition is known as the heterotrophic mode of nutrition. So today in this class, today's class we will discuss about a heterotrophic mode of nutrition. Okay, heterotrophic nutrition means the process by which, not process, the other organism, they will depend on others for food. Okay, so let's see what are the different types of heterotrophic nutrition. So heterotrophic nutrition means the organism will depends on others for food. So including human beings, we cannot produce our own food. We doesn't have chlorophyll, we cannot produce our own food. We have to depend on others for food. Okay, so like that, different types of organism including plants are there which depends on others for food. So in this class we will discuss about heterotrophic nutrition. So heterotrophic nutrition means the organism depend on others for food. So many type of heterotrophic organisms are there. First one is parasite. Okay. The next one is insectivorous plants. Third type is saprotrophs. Fourth one is symbiosis. Once again I will tell: parasite, insectivorous plants, saprotrophs and symbiosis. In the next session we will see one by one in detail. So now let's see parasitic mode of nutrition. What is a parasite? Parasite is an organism which lives on other organism and it will take food and shelter from the host. That is known as a parasite. Okay, so now I will tell about in your body. Maybe some people have lice on the head, right? Lice, head lice. What it is drinking? Which food it is using? That is our blood. Okay, it is taking our blood and our head as their shelter. Okay, so that is a lice is a parasite. The parasite are the organism which depend on others for food and shelter. Okay, so head lice is using our head as a shelter, and also what it is drinking our blood as its food. Okay, so if when we are seeing the plants, some plants you can see which is living upon other plants. One example is that cuscuta. Okay, it is a climber. It will climb on other plant. So on which plant it is climbing, that is known as the host. Okay, that is no. So now I am drawing one picture. So let's see. So if this is a plant, suppose this is a plant. So this cuscuta will be climbing like this. Okay, it will grow on that plant. So this is known as this one on which it is climbing, that is known as the host. So this is the host. Okay, so the plant on which this plant is climbing, that is known as the host. So from the host, this plant will take all the juices, all the nutrients, and also it will live on that plant. So that is known as the parasite. Okay, so what is parasite? Definition of parasite: organisms which depends on host. Host means on which organism, which animal or which plant it is living. Host for food and shelter. Shelter means what? Home. Okay, shelter means the home. shelter and food. That is known as the parasite. Organisms which depends on host for food and shelter. So in the case of plants, two examples I will tell. One is Cuscuta and one is Loranthus. Loranthus maybe you have seen on mango tree and or we can see Loranthus. Loranthus is like a small plant which grows on the mango tree. It has small leaves also is there. It will take the nutrients, half nutrients it will take from the mango tree, and it has small leaves, so little they can produce their own food. So once again I will tell what is a parasite. Parasite are the organism which lives on the another organism, that is known as the host, and it will take the food and shelter from the host. Okay, one way only, they are taking only, they are not giving anything back to the host. So examples, in the case of plants, examples are Cuscuta and Loranthus. Hope it is clear to you. So now let's see one parasite. Actually this is a semi-parasite. It has small leaves are there, so it can prepare their own food and it will take food from the host. So it is half parasite. So maybe you have seen on mango tree and all some small plants are there, that is known as Loranthus. Okay, it will attach to this host plant mango tree and it will take the food from that mango tree. So this is one, this is Loranthus. Okay, so it is a semi-parasite. Little it will prepare their food by photosynthesis and half it will take the food from the mango tree. So this one is Loranthus. Just I took one piece of it.